Hello YouTube, I'm Parikshit, and I actually wanted to talk to you guys about my Series 10 Apple Watch, because I've been a long time Apple Watch user all the way back from the Series 3, and I've used even the Series 1 and 2. And even though I bought the Series 9 earlier this year, I just had to go for this one. I just had to. I just want to give you guys a first impressions, an unboxing video of what it's like to own the Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get straight to it. Alright, so here's the box. Now I ordered it from Apple Online, hence this cardboard packaging that it comes in, and there it is. Now I remember unboxing the Apple Watch Series 2, Nike edition specifically, and how much bigger the box was than this one, but that doesn't really change much. The unboxing experience is still pretty good. And yeah, here's the watch, and there is the band. Now, you're not going to get the charger in the box. By that, I mean the brick. You'll get the cable, and you'll get quite a good one too. It's this aluminum one with a metal back. I'll show it to you, but yeah, here's the band. I went for the Midnight band. It's the black one. It's the only one that I think that they sell with this jet black watch by default. My older silicone bands for the watch were wearing away, so this is something I needed. And yeah, here's the box for the watch. Let's take these off. Series 10, jet black aluminum. I couldn't wait to see it. And yeah, there's the cable I was talking about. It's braided too, and it's USB-C, which supports fast charging. And there's the watch. Let's slide it out of this paper thing, and I'll show you how beautiful the jet black looks. I'm sure you've seen it already because I'm not early in making this video, but when I saw it, damn, like I don't think I've seen the jet black iPhone 7 in real life, and this one is like a black mirror. It's crazy. It's super beautiful to look at. It's like a pebble. Right, now I want to get this out of the way first. The full review for this thing is coming shortly. I've been working hard at imagining what kind of video I would make for a watch review. And I think that a lot of people have kind of lost the notion of what the Apple Watch is along the way, or more specifically, what a watch is. And I kind of want to bring that notion back to the Apple Watch because as much as it's tech, I love watches and it's a watch. I'm not going to hear anything else in the comments. It's a watch. Of course, it's not as fancy and cool as the more expensive watches, but I love this thing. This is my first impressions of the Series 10. Right, so off the bat, I could notice that it was lighter and thinner than my Series 9. Of course, the stats say so, but also when you wear it, you can tell it's a lot lighter, and that's great to me. I don't like hefty things, like, you know, big, bulky, heavy things. It's also the reason I don't wear rings or have a necklace or anything like jewelry on me. The watch is as far as I'll go, and it's light, so I keep it on always. Now, one of the main reasons I went for this watch was actually the jet black finish. I think that the jet black finish looks stunning. I've always wanted a jet black iPhone 7, but I didn't get the chance to get my hands on it back when it released, and I figured that I was not letting go of the opportunity to get a watch in jet black, especially now that the anodization and the coding process that Apple does to this is vastly improved compared to the iPhone 7. I just had to pick it up. Battery life is also much better. I know that Apple rates their watches for 18 hours, and that's about how much I get, if not slightly more. On a day with heavy workouts and stuff, I charge it in the morning, go to bed, and I'll still have charge left over the next morning. But by then I'll need to top up if I want to go the whole day again. So I just put it for charge anyway. This screen is actually so much more visible under different viewing angles and under sunlight. Apple calls it wide OLED, and honestly, it makes a big difference. The viewing angles are a lot better. I'm holding my hand out and I can see the time in always on display, even though the room's dimly lit, quite well. So display viewing angles, big improvement, big plus. Oh yeah, and I like seeing the tick, tick, tick for all the watch faces that support it. Kind of stupid that more watch faces don't support this functionality. Like, Apple, come on. It's the bare minimum at this point. You gotta add it. And the screen is ever so slightly bigger. Bigger screen equals better, in my opinion. Oh yeah, and the fast charging, wonderful. Being able to just drop it on the charger and have it ready to wear in like half an hour to an hour. Most of the time, half an hour, because my watch isn't always fully dead. It's so good. I just can't say anything more about it. Fast charging is a big bonus too. But yeah, that's as much as I want to talk about for my first impressions. I feel like that kind of was a full review, but there is a full review on the horizon, so hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. This was my unboxing and first impressions of my Series 10. And YouTube, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.